In the contact lens inventory screen, you can add new contact lens inventory items or edit the existing ones. To access the contact lens inventory listing screen, you can go to File, Inventory, Contact Lenses. You can add contact lenses to your inventory by using the OptiPort Import button. When you do this, the Contact Lens Import OptiPort screen will be displayed. From this screen, you can select the manufacturer and lens name combinations that you want and click the Import button. You can also select multiple lenses at a time to import by clicking the Control button on your keyboard as you click on the multiple lenses, then click Import. Keep in mind that any contact lens name that you import from this screen will import all of the configurations available for that contact lens. Because some lenses may have many configurations, the download may also take some time. If you select a contact lens and its corresponding trial to be imported from OptiPort, they will be linked together in the inventory. This is suggested. Back in the contact lens inventory listing screen, after importing a lens, you can specify the pricing and configurations by clicking Modify. In this screen, you can specify the manufacturer, the lens name, and the trial lens name from the drop-down box immediately below. You can select the number of units from the drop-down box provided. You can also mark the contact lenses as hard or inventory. If you mark it as inventory, the system will keep track of its on-hand count based on the quantities received and sold. In the pricing section, you can enter the full retail price for the unit specified. If you also enter a cost, the profit per unit is displayed immediately to the right. In the Insurance Commissions section, select a procedure code for insurance billing from the drop-down box provided. For employee commissions, either select a structure or specify the item commission details using the fields provided. In the Locations tab, check the active checkbox for every location that carries the contact lens. If you have deactivated a contact lens from all of your locations, you will need to use the Activate Inventory button in the contact lens inventory listing screen to reactivate. Specify the quantities and prices for 6 and 12-month supplies for each location. For any given location, if no quantity or price is specified here, the values from the pricing section will be used at the order time instead. Specify the retail price for each location. For any given location, if there is no retail price entered, the retail price from the pricing section will be used at the order time. Enter the tax rates, if any, that apply to this item on each location. In the Transactions tab, if you are keeping track of the on-hand counts of the contact lenses, you will see the quantity of lenses that have been received, returned, or adjusted when the Transactions radio button is selected. You can also create one of these transactions by clicking Add. When you select the Sales Radio button, you will see any order that has been processed involving the current contact lens. The Details button allows you to see additional information on the transaction or sales order selected. You can see this information also by double-clicking on either record type. In the Configurations tab, you can click the Add button to specify a new configuration for the contact lens. You can enter the prescription parameters for the new configuration or edit those for existing ones directly on the data grid. In the columns provided for each configuration, you can edit the UPC code, edit the prescription parameters in terms of color, material, base curve, diameter, sphere, cylinder, axis, and add power. You may specify the cost and view the total quantities purchased, sold, on hand, and on order. To remove the configurations from the list, select them and click the Delete button. To get the latest configurations available from OptiPort, click the Update Config button. To create a new purchase order for the current contact lens, select the configurations desired and click the Create PO button. If no configuration is specified and the contact lens is new, the system will automatically generate a default configuration for each location. The Transfer button will transfer inventory from one location to another. Thank you for viewing the instructional video. We hope that this video has simplified the setup process for you.